Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you're looking for a great book for your kid, then I would highly recommend this one, Have You Got My Purr? It's really cute. This kitty is looking for their purr, and so they go around to all the different animals and they are asking the animals if they have their purr. And so it's a great way to teach your child about animals, about the sounds that they make. And I also really like the illustrations here. The pictures are bright. There are a lot of visual illustrations here of showing what's going on, and it has everything from dogs, cows, pigs, ducks, mouse, sheep, owl. It's a really cute book. This is a hardcover, and my son absolutely loves it. So if your kid likes to read or they're just starting, it's also a really fantastic book with nice, bright, colorful illustrations and a really cute story. But that's just my point of view.